Once again, my name is Sophie Neomonjeri. Today we are going to learn how to control DHT 2022 by using ESP32. Not only that, after capturing those data, you try to sending data in cloud platform, in a thingspeak cloud platform. So that is introduction to IoT system. When we say IoT system, it means that IoT system, it's like how to control things by using internet. So it is very impossible to use ESP32 to control something by using internet. So when we say IoT system, it's like Internet of Things. When you want to control something which are not standalone of our things or project you implemented, it is possible to use IoT technologies and use this ESP32 in order to help you to connecting an internet and capturing, and after processing those data, sending it to cloud platform. That is an introduction of this course you have to run today. So I would like to invite all technicians or people to run this course because it is very important, because IoT technologies, it's like trending technologies on these worlds. So that is the reason why to use this to learn this course. And also after that, after this course, the technician or the people who run this course must be understanding how to connecting or how to control things by using an internet. We have an example which we are going to use on this course we have today. It's like to use this sensor, the HT22. I think you remember before we used this sensor, it capturing two different data, humidity and temperature. So we are capturing those data, temperature and humidity, and also sending to thingspeak cloud platform. So and then yesterday I was learning how to connecting this ESP32 module to Wi-Fi, and then today we are going to learn how to control the DHT22 by using ESP32 module, and also capturing those data and sending it to cloud platform. So it is very easy. I would like to invite all your friends or technicians to run this course because it is very important. Thank you very much, and also make sure that you are making subscribe in order to be updated for every videos uploaded on this platform. So thank you very much. Welcome on this course. Thank you so much.
Tangira none utangire natwe kwiga amasomo y'ikoranabuhanga maze duteze imbere made in Rwanda. Tuziga software zitandukanye: Arduino, Proteus, Multisim, Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Audition, SolidWorks n'izindi. Amahitamo yawe ni uguhitamo neza, ntaba ari usigara, ntaba ari wowe.
Here we go.
On this course you have to run today, I hope that understanding this software, as I told you, it has two different parts: Arduino IDE or place where writing codes, and this simulation parts. This is a simulation part. This is a place where writing codes. So according to your project. So this is the declaration parts. It has these parts. The first one is library. I think you understanding why we need libraries on this code. I think you understandable. So Wi-Fi.h, library for Wi-Fi connectivity. That is one. The library for DHT, I think you understandable. We learn how to use DHT.h libraries. Yes, thingspeak.h, that is a library which helps us to use thingspeak platform for helping to sending data and receiving notification and control by using different electronic devices, either computers, smartphones, tablet, and so on. So that is the reason why this is a pin of this red and the HT pin 15 and and 13. According to your choice, you must use constant int or int only, and define only. According to your choice, you must be use anything you want to use. So I think I was learning how to use constant int, define, or int only. I think you are remembering. So yesterday I was learning how to connecting Wi-Fi on this ESP32. That is a declaration of SSID or Wi-Fi name and password, which help us to enabling Wi-Fi connection. So the thingspeak, it has two different things which is important: channel number and API key. That is a channel, that these things, it is very important in a thingspeak. On thingspeak it has two things: API key and channel numbers. That is API key and channel numbers. After creating account, you must be receiving these things. That is the reason why to use these things. It is channel, that is channel through datas can be through on these things. So, and also this is DHT. That is an object. Wi-Fi client. It is an object which helps us to enabling to reading those datas from DHT and Wi-Fi connection. That is an object. Let's continue to void loop. The void loop, it's like the heart of this code, because it holding how to initializing, how to receiving those data from this DHT 2022, and also how this red indicators, how it's turned on and off. That is, and also on this part we are going to see how to sending those data to cloud platform. So let's continue to void the loop. So thank you very much. First of all, the first line is called the temperature and the humidity data. This is a data type which help us to receiving those data from this DHT 2022. That is a data type which help us to hold those data from physical environment. So after receiving those data, it is displayed on serial monitors. Today I was learning how to use serial monitors, how to creating a resolution of it, how to arranging, how to display it by using the serial monitors. So thank you very much. The first of all, it display temperature and temperature value, and put the value this sign of Celsius, and also put humidity and temperature. It is the same. Put humidity and put or data of humidity or the value of humidity in percent. Let's continue this field. The thingspeak, it has a room that is stored or that receiving those data from ESP after processed in cloud platform thingspeak. According to the how to setting the field. The field one, let's take an example of this DHT. DHT22, we know that it has two different datas. It capturing the different datas, temperature and humidity in directly. In DHT22 have temperature and humidity. The first field, it is received or stored the data of temperature, and also field 2 stored the data of humidities. According to the how to creating your account, when you creating free channel account, you must use 6 field. It means that you allowed to use 6 different sensors to receiving those data to thingspeak. But when we are getting subscription, you are non-limited to creating a field and different and other things you want to use on thingspeak. So let's continue to this, how to control this LED. If this is if condition, when temperature is greater than 55 or data of humidity is greater than 70, red must be high. If is else or it's different of it, red it does not turn it on. That is the reason why of this if condition. Let's continue to sending those data to this field. The field 1 is temperature, field 2 is humidities. We are going to sending those data captured to thingspeak cloud platform. This software it helps us to sending those data to thingspeak. We are going to see to receive those data by using this telephone or to these computers, or it is important. The first one, int status. thingspeak is filled my channel number and API key. I think you remember thingspeak it has two different important things, my channel number and API key. As I told you, tomorrow we are going to see how to, after creating account you must receiving these things, the channel number and API key. If status equal to 2 milliseconds, the data from this ESP to thingspeak, it is updating thingspeak in different those fields 2 milliseconds. When you sending data, the field must be updated at least 2 milliseconds. That is the reason why of these things. So we are going to see in the simulation part how to connecting this DHT and this LED. I think I was learning how to connecting this DHT, the supply and grounding this DHT, and also LED. It is very easy, but I remember that DHT must be connecting to 3 voltage. So let's continue on this ESP, or ESP has 3 voltage connecting to this DHT, and also this is 15 pins. The cloud on this it is this DHT pin 15 is this one, and grounding to ESP. So and this red it is grounding and 13 pins. That is any simulation parts what is included on simulation parts. Let's continue. Dukomereje kuri platform ya thingspeak. Nkuko twakomeje tubivuga, nubwo twakoresha ururimi rw'icyongereza ariko tugiye gukomereza mu kinyarwanda kugira ngo dusobanukirwe neza thingspeak ni iki. Ngira ngo nkuko nabivuze kare, thingspeak ni cloud platform. Ejo ku munsi w'ejo nibwo tuzayinjiramo neza, turebe settings umuntu ashobora gukora muri ino platform kugira ngo data zize bitewe n'uburyo twifuza, n'uburyo twa creating account. Nimba dushaka uburyo buri free channel cyangwa se tugiye gukora subscription, nimba turi gukora subscription tukishyura, ibi byose tuzabireba ku munsi w'ejo. Uyu munsi intego y'isomo ryacu ry'uyu munsi twari kureba ese data noneho twazikura gute kuri ESP tukazohereza kuri ino platform yacu ya thingspeak. So mukurikire rero, nuvuga ngo muri kubona hano dufite aka dashboard ka field ebyiri nkuko twabivugaga kare. Dufite field ya mbere ni humidity, ya kabiri kaba temperature nkuko twabivugaga kare. Dufite field ya mbere ni humidity, ya kabiri kaba temperature. Ibi ngibi nibyo twavugaga hangaha muri za code zacu. Izi ngizi dore ni izi field nkuko twazivugaga, dore ni izi twadekaraye hano, dore ni izi ngizi. Ya mbere hari ya temperature ni ya humidity, ni izo field twavugaga ni izi ngizi arizo turi kubona hano kuri thingspeak. So ngira nkuko muri kubona hano turi gufata data na DHT zikaba processed at the end, nyuma y'amasegonda 2 tukazohereza kuri platform ya thingspeak. So ngira ngo hano muri kubona twatangiye kohereza saa 10:30. Na mbere yaho twoherezaga data ariko kuri ino dashboard cyangwa se kuri ino dashboard yacu turi kureba hano turi kubonaho saa 10:30 nibwo twohereje data. Iyo twari dufite humidity iri muri negative 38.1 n'igice kimwe. Hari ku itariki ya mbere z'ukwezi kwa kane, nyango muri kubibona hano ku itariki ya mbere z'ukwa kane, 2025 saa 10:30 n'amasegonda 7 kuri GMT. Ibi bishatse gusobanura iki? Bishatse kuvuga ngo iyo ushaka real time data ukoresha thingspeak, iyo ibi yaguhereza mu buryo buri real time. Iyo ifashe data itizi kohereza nimba ari ibintu wowe ushaka kumanaginga arahuri ukabibona neza mu buryo bukoroheye. No kuri ibi ngibi rero ni kimwe no kuri hano kuri field 2 ya temperatures. Dore naho ku isaha y'isa 10:30 nibwo twabonye ziriya datas igihe twa dufite temperature ingana na 50 Celsius. So ngira ngo muri kubibona neza uko bigenda, uko niko bigenda. Tugiye kohereza izindi data ngira ngo aka kanya ubu turi saa 11 turi saa 1:04:26 kuri GMT. Tugiye kohereza izindi data nibwo data tubibona, turebe changes ese bigenda gute, nimba koko izo data ziri kuza mu buryo bwa nyabwo. So ibi ngibi rero ni kimwe niyo nakoresha computer, telefone yanjye cyangwa se tablet. Ngira ngo habanza twe twabivuze ngo twakoresha ururimi rw'icyongereza. Na mfite computer ari device yanjye nasize mu rugo, nshobora kuba ndi kubireba. Reka twongere dusending izindi data kugira ngo tubibone neza. Ngabanye humidity nyigize 18.5, temperature ni -10.9 Celsius. So reka tuye kureba kuri thingspeak ese zahageze. Ngira ngo muri kubibona ihise imanuka, dore ni saa 10 ni saa 1:07 saa 1:07:25 kuri GMT. Dufite -10.9 mu gihe hano dufite 94, mu gihe hano dufite 94 Celsius. Thank you so much. Ndatekereza noneho bisobanutse neza, ngira ngo muri kubibona neza kuri no dashboard irimo irabigaragaza neza, ni real time data. So thank you so much. Hanyuma rero wakibaza ngo nize projet zindi umuntu ashobora kwifashishamo ino thingspeak cyangwa se no cloud platform mu kugira ngo akore real time data. Twandikire muri comment izo project. Ngenda baho urugero, uramutse ufite nk'igihingwa cyawe ushaka gukurikirana data zacyo kugira ngo urebe ngo ese tuvomera ryari bimeze gute, za data zo mu butaka nyine nk'uko twize gukoresha soil moisture, ugafata izo data ukazishyira kuri no platform ukaziyoherereza hanyuma ukabicunga isaha ku isaha. So urwo ni urugero rwa mbere nge nabwo. Hanyuma we muri comment nawe twandikira urugero rwa kabiri wakifashishamo ino project. So iyi ngiyi niyo IoT system, ini nka introduction. Ndatekereza hano tubonye iyo bita thingspeak, ejo tuzareba ni gute ba creating account, ni gute nyuma yo gukora account ni gute creating a field. Ukavuga ngo field 1 iraza kujyamo izi data, field 2 iraza kujyamo izi data. Hanyuma turebe ni gute noneho ushobora udakoresheje ibi bya marine, ni gute noneho ushobora guhindura ugakoresha uruziga kandi ubona akantu k'agasa kagenda kamuvinga 100% 0 like that. Tuzarebamo ibintu byinshi ku munsi w'ejo. Ndagushishikariza wowe utarakora subscribe, ahangaha niho nyine wakora amasomo meza y'ikoranabuhanga kugira ngo ibintu bikomeze bigende neza umunsi ku munsi. Kugira ngo ahangaha niho wakora amasomo meza y'ikoranabuhanga hanyuma ibintu bikagenda neza 100%. So reka rero nshimire wowe wakoze subscribe. Shimira by'umwihariko Nizeyimana Raphael udukurikirana ari mu karere ka Rulindo. Rwose urakoze cyane. Ndashimira n'abandi benshi batandukanye. Odd percent rwose nawe turagushimiye aho uherereye hano mu mujyi wa Kigali. Aya masomo rwose ndatekereza umaje kugera kure. Reka nshimire nawe Byiringiro Fabrice udukurikiranira hano ku Gisozi. Nawe rwose ndatekereza ibintu bimaze kugera kure muri IoT. Ndatekereza umaje kugira package ifatika. Twagira Eso Emmanuel, nawe rwose kabisa turabashimiye by'umwihariko ko mukurikirana umunsi ku munsi. Comment zanyu turazibona kuri video cyangwa se ku isomo ryose tugerageje gutanga. Reka nshimire kandi nanone ubuyobozi bwa Eshuli Technology nkuko budahwema kuduha access ku bikoresho byose bya IoT no kudufasha kugira ngo boosting ubumenyi bijyanye n'ikoranabuhanga. Don't plan to miss. Ejo tuziga ino thingspeak, umunsi kurikiyeho tuziga niyo bita brinks kugira ngo ibintu bigende neza. So thank you very much.
Witangara ubu ni umubeshyi kubeshya, reka n'abakubeshya bakubwira ko utabimenye. Dore igisubizo. Eshuli Technology Company Limited yabazaniye isomo ryiza rishya mu ndimi zose rya Basic Electronics. Tuziga gukoresha components zose za electronic, aha twavuga transistor, resistor, capacitor n'izindi. Nanone kandi tuziga circuit design hifashishijwe software zitandukanye nka Autodesk, Eagle, Proteus n'izindi. Wicikanwa va kuba kubeshya, dore ishuri itandukana n'ubukene utangire none wisange mu basirimu basobanukiye ikoranabuhanga. Duhamagare kuri 0785132511 cyangwa 0788533990. Dukurikirane kuri platform zacu zose ni Eshuli TV.